Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Abigail and I make videos about special needs and health issues and feeding tubes. That's what most of my videos are about, but in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all our Christmas decoration tour. We decorate our living room. We don't do the traditional like how most people decorate for Christmas. We actually do like a winter wonderland theme. So we do like wintry stuff. But we do have two elves that visit us. They stay on our piano, and we also, me and my brothers, have a mailbox that the elf brings us something every day in September that's like a little surprise. And then on Christmas Eve we get like our big surprise, which is usually like a gift card or something. I also want to say that the reason why I'm explaining all of this is because I am actually filming this late at night and I don't want to wake up my family. So whenever I'm like showing all of the decorations, I'm actually not going to be talking. I'm just going to be showing all the decorations, and I wanted to explain why, because I don't want to wake up the whole house. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video, and let's roll the next clip.